Welcome to the Historically Accurate Princess Dances. Today we are featuring the princess of the jazz era, Betty Boop. And we're going to learn the 1920s Charleston line dance. I've put together feature figures from Charleston into a fun line dance format for our favorite jazz age princess, Betty Boop. And remember to like and subscribe to our line below. Step 1. Charleston step low. The first variation we'll do without twist. It looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now with twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Second step, Charleston high. It will look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step 3, a little scarecrow action. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step 4, we are going to have little heel kicks. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, we're going to repeat the little scarecrows and heel taps in the other direction. It looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step 6, we're going to do our little knee crosses. Knees. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step 7, we have these fun little Charleston kicks. They look like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. When you put it all together, it will look like this.
1,
2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
High.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Good. 2,
3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Here. Jazz-age flapper Betty Boop was the queen of the animated screen. In her dancing school, she taught tunes how to Charleston. Why would I choose Betty Boop for a princess dance? Good question. Betty Boop is an interesting cartoon character to research. She was created by Max Fletcher in the 30s as a symbol of the roaring 20s liberated woman. Over time, she went from being a French poodle to a fully realized woman. Betty Boop was the first feminist icon to fight sexual harassment. Betty Boop has some very interesting roots. She was originally modeled after the 30s it girl Helen Kane. Helen Kane, however, had modeled her character or her act after Esther Jones, who was a black singer at the Cottonwood Club of Harlem and who was known for her boop-oop-a-doop scat style in jazz music. That would make Esther Jones Betty Boop's grandmother. The Charleston itself was named after a town in Charleston, South Carolina, where it was first danced in black clubs. It was banned after the Charleston dancers were so rigorous that a building collapsed under the pressure of their dancing. In the Betty Boop spoof film, Dancing Fool, in 1932, Betty Boop's dance school brought the building down as well. So enjoy this Charleston line dance how-to.
And remember to like and subscribe to our line below. And check out all our films at www.adventuresindance.com.